ready for you now.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am just starting getting the house undecorated. And normally I leave my Christmas decor up until after the first of the year, but this year I'm just ready to get into deep cleaning and getting this house organized and decorated. We moved in a year ago. We bought the house last year and we just have been living in it because I really didn't know how I wanted to decorate the house or what I wanted to do. So after just living here for a year, I have got some ideas on what I want to do. So I'm ready. And my daughter was bringing in some eggs. It's finally warming up, so the chickens are finally laying again. But I'm just getting all of the Christmas decor taken off the countertops. And once I got this kitchen done and I just stood back and looked at it, it's so bare because there was some like brown curtain thing up on this window, which is terrible. And I want to find some new curtains to put in here because I really want to take these blinds out because they're brown. My cabinets are brown. That's too much brown. And the walls are like this light brown. Those will eventually get painted. But that's going to be a little bit later because these strips on the wall, I do want to take those off. But I need to watch like a lot of videos on how to take those off and tape the wall before I can even prime and paint. So that will be done way later. But just to make the house look more homey, I just need to get some decor in here. And these ugly blinds have got to go. I'm done with them. But right here, I am just spraying the sink with some Lysol disinfectant, but I went in with the Gain Power Wash and scrubbed out my sink. I normally use a soft scrub, and it has bleach in it, but I had ran out, so I'm just using what I have on hand, which was the Gain Power Wash to scrub it out. And then I went in with the Lysol disinfectant and sprayed everything down, and I just let it sit for a while so it can properly disinfect, because I want to make sure my sink is good and clean because, I mean, you wash dishes in here, and so, yeah, and sinks are disgusting, so I just want to make sure it is, like, good and clean. And the jars, I had the hot cocoa in and marshmallows. I just washed those out, and I just dried them out, and I have the little figurines that were on my two-tier stand. I just put those inside the jar so they're not taking up a whole lot of space, but also so they don't really get broke in the tote. So
you look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life.
So with 2023 creeping up on us, when this video goes up, it will be 2023, and I am excited for it, you guys. I am so ready. I am going to be doing a series of deep cleaning and just washing 2022 off my walls and out of this house, because 2022 was a little struggle. So I am ready for the new year, and I am just ready to refresh the house, and I'm just ready. So I hope you guys are ready, and make sure y'all subscribe because there's a lot going to be coming up so soon. I will be doing everything on a budget. So as I get everything I need to get to reorganize one particular room in my house, I will just slowly order everything. And so when I have everything, that's when I will do that room. Over here in the corner, there was some cabinet organizers. Well, they're for my pans. So I had those in my last house in our old kitchen, and it took me some time to find them because they were in a box and they got shoved out in the shed last year because Christmas was coming, and like we moved in December 1st of last year. So I finally found them. So I brought them in, and I will be organizing my cabinets and decluttering this kitchen first. It is terrible, and this is like the heart of the home because this is where I prepare all of the meals for my family, so I need to get it organized. And I'm just getting this bar cleared off and getting everything off of here so I can get it wiped down. And my goal for next year is for the top part of my bar is not to be oh my god, I'm getting tongue-tied, not to be cluttered. It is a catch-all. And I mean, I decorate up there, but I know I overdo it, especially right here on the bar. So that is my goal for next year, is not to do that much up there. And plus I want to get bar stools to put there because sometimes the kids like to be in the kitchen when I'm cooking and talking to me and everything. So I would love to get some bar stools for right there. I really just haven't found the ones I want yet, but I am working on it.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it?
So just ignore the way I look. It's just a no makeup day for me. But I take the wallflowers that I get from Bath and Body Works and my husband's pliers, and I pull the wick out, and I can just pour that into my oil diffuser with some water, and the house smells so good for a very long time. So that is just one of my favorite ways to make the house smell really good. So now I'm just going to take all the ornaments off this tree, and you guys will see I am not taking the Christmas lights off this tree. I do not like putting lights on the trees at all. So I do leave the lights on this tree. I'll just take all the ornaments off before I take it all apart and put it in the box. And I had to tape the box up. I'll probably have to get another tree bag for the rest of the smaller trees because the boxes are just starting to tear up. But I'll probably have to do that next year. But this right here, this corner, this is right in front of our bedroom door. and I am so ready to do something with this. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do, but I think I want to get like a little wall table that'll go right here in this little corner, like a little corner table, and put right there. Maybe put like an oil diffuser right there. And I thought about hanging a mirror right here. I do have a mirror out in my shed. I don't like the border of it, so I will be spray painting that, and my favorite color is teal, so I'm gonna probably spray paint that teal and put right there. Um, or I may just get one of mine and my husband's wedding pictures, one of my favorite ones, and just blow it up and frame it and put it right there. I'm not 100% sure, so if you guys have any ideas what I should do in this corner, please leave a comment down below and like help me out, because I am not 100% sure what to do with this area, but it's dark in that area, so I thought maybe either an oil diffuser or a little lamp or something to put right there. I don't know. So if you guys have any ideas, help me out and let me know what y'all think and what I should do right there, because I am open to all the suggestions right now.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, ooh, ooh, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while.
And I was just popping those. It was in this Amazon box, and I'm just getting these boxes. Some of them broke down and just getting them ready for the trash. That box is just a bunch of Cricut vinyl. I took it out of a rolled cart. I had it all in that had drawers in it because for Christmas my husband bought me a sublimation printer. So I wanted to be able to use that little cart to put like all the little stuff in, the sublimation paper and stuff like that, because I don't really use the Cricut that much. So I had my daughter put that box of vinyl in her closet, and I had gave her my old laptop. So and the Cricut app is on there, so I told her anytime she wanted to use the Cricut machine, she could and just make whatever she wants. But and my husband had ordered me a t-shirt press, and they sent us two. So I need to take that one. We had already contacted the seller and sending it back. So, which was crazy with there being a mix-up and sending us two. So I'm just going to get this all the above the fireplace cleared off, and this is my thought process for this fireplace, just sitting here looking at it while I'm editing. What I'm thinking about doing, just let me know, you guys. I am not a designer, I am not a decorator at all. So like I get a lot of my inspiration and ideas from Pinterest. That is what's been helping me decide on how I want to decorate. But anyways, so let me know what you guys think. So my gosh, I am tongue-tied. My thought process for this fireplace is that wood shelf. I've thought about painting that black. And the bricks, I've thought about painting those whites. What do you guys think? I think it would look good. Not 100% sure. Um, but I'm pretty sure painting all these bricks white and then this shelf black, I think that would look good. So, ladies, please help me out and let me know what y'all think. Would it look good or should I just leave it the way it is? But it's kind of ugly the way it is. So I really think I want to paint this um probably sometime this spring, this summer. So, yeah.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride.
I had more clips for this video, but I don't know what happened to them. I lost them and I can't get them back. So this is just a 15-minute video, but I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. And I will talk to you guys Tuesday and have a good rest of your week. Bye.